In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Firefox Web Apps Taskbar tabs on Windows step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want to pin supported websites directly to your taskbar, so they feel more like apps and are easier to access with just one click. If you like simple windows and browser tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Once Firefox is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the browser. Now type about config and press enter. Firefox will show you a warning page about advanced settings. This is completely normal, so go ahead and click accept the risk and continue. After that, you'll be taken to the advanced configuration page. At the top of the page, click the search bar and type browser.taskbarTabs.enabled. Firefox will now display the matching preference you need to change. This setting controls whether taskbar tabs are available in Firefox on Windows. Next, check the value next to browser taskbarTabs.enabled. If it says false, that means the feature is currently turned off. To turn it on, simply click the toggle button or the switch icon and change the value to true. If it already says true, then you're all set and the feature is already enabled. Now that the setting is turned on, go to any website that supports this feature. Not every website will work, so choose a supported site that offers taskbar tab support. Once you're on the page, look near the address bar for the option that says Add Tab to Taskbar. Click it, and Firefox will create the taskbar tab shortcut for that website. After that, the site should be available from your Windows taskbar, making it faster and easier to open whenever you need it. This is a great way to keep important web apps close at hand without constantly searching for them in your bookmarks or browser history. If you want to remove it later, you can manage it from your taskbar and browser settings as needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable Firefox Web Apps taskbar tabs on Windows and add supported sites directly to your taskbar. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.